What's guys? I've got this very brand new keyboard special. You can tell it's brand new because it hasn't been opened. It's called the Razer Ornata Chroma Mecha Membrane Gaming Keyboard Clavier de Joule Mecha Membrane Razer Ornata Chroma. Now, when you take a look at this, you instantly feel like you're home because you're in my home now. Let's home it up. The keyboard itself is very... It feels very expensive despite being made out of plastic. Each key clicks with precision, yet elegance. Fuck. And there's even a pad. Now you can tell right when you see it that this pad... Well, actually I can't tell what it is, but if you were here you could tell, even though I can't. Now, immediately we are brought to the attention of the detail in the plastic of the keyboard. Now, what I'm about to do is I'm gonna show you.
Oh shit!
The lights. Sorry. It's got a fucking condom. It's got a fucking condom on.
Hold the condom, sir.
Here you go. Wow. That sure are, those sure are colors that I learned in school. It's got pink, white, yellow, green, and many more. You like the video and subscribe because we're all gonna die.